In this video you will learn how to set up Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router and modem, unbox all the equipment, make sure you have the modem, Wi-Fi 6 router, power cords, aux cables and Ethernet cables. Connect the modem, plug in the coaxial cable in the modem on the wall outlet, connect the modem power cord and plug into the power outlet. Wait for the modem light to stabilize, this can take up to 5 minutes. Connect the router to the modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the router's WAN or internet port. Power on the router. Plug in the router power cord and turn it on. Wait for the Wi-Fi or internal light to stop blinking and become a solid colour. Connect to Wi-Fi. Find the network's name, SSID and the password labelled on your router. Open on your phone or computer. Go to the Wi-Fi settings, then connect to that network. Activate with Spectrum. Open a browser, go to activation page or visit spectrum.net/self-install. Follow all the prompts to activate your service. Test the connection. Once it is activated, test the internet on multiple devices to ensure everything works correctly. Now you know how to set up Spectrum 6 Wi-Fi router and modem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.